Tonight I feel the weight hit me hard. It's not the same as nights in the past. When you were here, we'd sit and talk until the dark. But now it's just my head.
Tonight it's like my chest caved in. I trace the way things could have been. The sky looks dead, the moon's just there above my head. And nothing feels like you.
Nothing feels like you.
I think about the way you laughed, the way you looked in this photograph. I think about you all alone, thinking what I tell you on the phone. I know I'm to blame.
Tonight just doesn't feel the same. I miss you more than I can explain. I close my eyes and try to sleep, hoping maybe you'll show up, even if it's not, even if it's just a dream.
I pace the floor, then stop mid-step, still thinking how we got to this wreck. The light's still on, but nothing's clear. It's like the room forgot you were here. I check the time, but don't know why. Maybe to measure how long I've lied. Like if I act okay enough, it might undo what we gave up. I open drawers and close them slow, looking for something I don't even know. I say your name just to say it out loud, just to fill the space, just to drown the sound. I keep your side of the bed untouched, not for love, just out of habit. Or maybe just because pretending costs less than the truth, and I still can't believe I lost you.
Tonight just doesn't feel the same. I miss you more than I can explain. I close my eyes and try to sleep, hoping maybe you'll show up, even if it's not, even if it's just tonight.